nyimbo keki na ikino itiganite nicio cikiritwo wira honge itiganite cia bengi ya Equity guku bururi-ini ari kionereri kia ugaciri wa bengi ino kwa ihinda ria miaka 35. Na riu uyu niguo ugukorwo uri uthio mweru na ruri rweru rwa bengi ino ya Equity. Guku ni ruhonge rwa bengi ya Equity rwa Limuru Town kuria urugamiriri ucokeri aigithia a bengi ino ngatho ni kumehoka na kumahotithia kugacira kwa miaka ino yothe.
Tungiambiriria na kurora mwena wa kuheana service kuma kwa ATM, ni twikirite ATM njeru iria irahota ku serve customer na ihinda inini muno na ikamasafu na ihenya gukira iria ingi irakoragwo ho.
Na kuo Kajiado ukungwiri ni urathire na mbere na njira ya mwanya, oho bengi ino igitia ni kiria irauga ni kuheana motungata kuri amemba ayo na njira ya mwanya.
According to the customers, we have been of great help to them because the bank has been assisting them to do all the trade. As you know, Kenya import a lot of commodities from Tanzania, and the bank has been of great help.
And today we had a cake that we cut just as an appreciation to our customers. We have had great support both from the individual customers, the corporates, the authorities that operate in Kisii, and we will continue working together.
Bengi ya Equity ni kureta na ikiro kia ihenya bururi-ini ona nja ya bururi ta mabũrũri-inĩ ma DRC Congo, South Sudan, Tanzania, Rwanda, Zambia, Mozambique na Uganda. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muthoni wa Mukiri.